John Rose's place. Coming up, you can see Kylie's up ahead. This is Barry's. This is Barry's place. Coming up to here. Now, this land here on in, nobody knows who owns it. So Barry may have it. And so now we're in Northern Bay. These are the apartments in the picture. These are apartments. Then you have this house. And you have some vacant land here. And then you have another couple of houses here. And this is the land I guess you're interested in here. So this is coming down through here.
Johnny wants a pair of skates. Susie wants a sled.
The old highway.
Ellie wants a storybook.
The old highway road. Now this here is Danny DeWell's place. And it doesn't look like there's anybody there now. No, I guess he is only there in the summer. And you come down here, and then as you can see, that's Woodgrove Road. Okay, well, that's it.